Flying drones isn't just a fun activity, it's also a great way to capture stunning photos and videos from the air. Whether you're just getting into photography or are a seasoned pro looking to expand your approach, drones can certainly help you get some unique shots. Though you'll need to familiarize yourself with the regulations before you start. If you're a professional video maker, having a drone can help enhance your work with aerial shots. Plus, it doesn't have to be a huge investment because good drones no longer cost an exorbitant amount. There are many products available to choose best drones, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 5. DJI Mini 3 Best Budget Drone. The DJI Mini 3 is a flying, stabilized 4K/12 megapixel camera with a theoretical range of 10 kilometers, way beyond what you should ever take it, and a rated flight time of 38 minutes with the included battery. The standard kit comes with the DJI RCN1 controller with no screen. You use your smartphone. But there's an option to upgrade to the DJI RC controller that has a built-in display that adds $140 to the price. There's also a Fly More combo option that adds 2 additional 38-minute intelligent flight batteries, a 2-way charging hub, a shoulder bag, spare propellers, and a few other bits. This drone gets rave reviews on Amazon for its ease of use, stability in flight, responsiveness, and the quality of the photos and videos it captures. Number 4. DJI Mini 4 Pro. Best drone for budding professionals. This is an upgraded version of the Mini 3 Pro, with a redesigned chassis, upgraded camera, and the addition of omnidirectional obstacle avoidance sensors. The sub-250-gram category is important in some territories because it falls into an area where there are fewer regulation headaches. This is a big deal in places like Europe, less so in places like the US. It is also one of the quietest drones that I've flown, so if you're looking not to attract attention, this is the drone for you. That said, the Mini 4 Pro is a very capable drone that you can slip into a pocket and take with you on your adventures. That's not something you could do with the Mavic 3 Pro. User reviews for this drone on Amazon and Reddit praise its excellent image quality, how easy it is to fly, its performance, and its quality. This is a highly rated drone. Number 3. DJI Avata 2 FPV. Best Flying Action Camera Drone. The new DJI Avata 2 FPV first-person view drone has completely flipped the script for me, taking what was previously quite a calming, meditative, even activity, and turning it into a crazy white-knuckle ride. Within moments of donning the goggles and sending the Avata 2 on its first full-speed run, I felt like Wile E. Coyote, strapped to an ACME rocket, engaged in a desperate life-or-death chase after the Roadrunner. Everything in the kit is exactly what I've come to expect from DJI, top-tier quality. The drone itself feels sturdy, which was a bit of a surprise since it's not much heavier than DJI's sub-250-gram ultralight drones. The prop guards seem like they can take a hit or two, and yeah, I had to put that to the test. However, it's important to note this is an FPV drone, so if you're aiming to capture cinematic footage or doing detailed shots of buildings for a realtor, this might not be the best choice. Think of it more as a flying action camera than a traditional one. That distinction really shapes the kind of results you can expect from it. Number 2. DJI Air 3S. Best Mid-Range Drone. For those looking for an enthusiast-level drone with prosumer features, you need to look no further than the Air 3S. Like its predecessor, this drone has 2 cameras, but these have been tuned so they have the same video specs and color modes, which greatly improves capture in high-contrast situations and ensures visually consistent footage no matter which camera you use. This makes stitching footage from the different cameras easier. The omnidirectional obstacle sensing is a feature that could help save your drone from damage or destruction. While I'd never rely on these sensors and always keep an eye on where the drone is and its surroundings, it's a super handy feature that makes flying safer. The Air 3S also adds a LiDAR system for safer night flying. This drone also adds another cool new feature: 42 gigabytes of built-in storage. For some, this will be a handy backup to microSD card storage. For others, it will eliminate the need for microSD cards completely. Number 1. DJI Mavic 3 Pro. Best drone overall. This is DJI's flagship prosumer drone. It's big, it's mean, it's noisy. It has 3 cameras and is the perfect drone to get the job done. If the conditions allow you fly a drone, the Mavic 3 Pro will deliver. The Mavic 3 Pro features a 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor, 3x optical zoom, and is capable of 48-megapixel 12-megapixel photos, 4K 60 FPS video, and supports the new D-Log-M. On top of that, the wide-angle camera now also supports the new 10-bit D-Log-M color mode, allowing the sensor to capture up to 1 billion colors. This not only makes the camera better at capturing difficult scenes, such as sunrises and sunsets, but also makes it easier to process the captured video. In terms of drones that you can pack away and carry in a bag, this is the most stable, most capable, and most powerful drone that I've ever flown. Yes, as with all drones, it takes some getting used to, and it takes time to understand the strengths and weaknesses of the 3 cameras. But once you master this drone, you have an incredibly powerful platform for capturing unique photo and video shots. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information, or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much easier.